How to fix Facebook app crashing. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix the Facebook app crashing problem on your phone. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So here, let's start with a step one, that is to force close the Facebook app. So here, let's try first force closing the Facebook app. To do that, simply long press on the Facebook app icon, and now here from the pop-up menu, just tap on App Info. And now here, once you are inside the Facebook app settings page, simply tap on the force stop button, which can be seen in the bottom left side of the screen. And now here, you simply have to confirm it by tapping on OK. And now here, once you're done with it, you simply have to reopen the app and check if it works fine. And with that, moving forward to the step 2, that is to clear cache and storage. So here, if it's still crashing, then you can clear the app cache. To do that, simply go to the settings page app again, and now here, once you are in the settings page, you simply have to tap on clear data option. And now here from the pop-up menu, just tap on clear cache and confirm it. And with that, it will delete all the temporary files and glitches. And with that, moving forward to the step 3, that is to update the app. So sometimes the crash happens due to the old version. So to fix that, you can simply open the Google Play Store app, and now here you can simply search for the Facebook app and simply update it if available. And here, after updating, you can simply reopen the app to see if it works properly. And with that, moving forward to the step 4, that is to restart your phone. So if the issue still continues, you can try restarting the phone, and this will refresh the background process and fixes the temporary bugs and glitches. And with that, moving forward to the step 5, that is to reinstall the app. So as a last fix, uninstalling the Facebook app completely and then reinstalling it from the Play Store will give you a clean version without any errors and corrupted files. And there, if nothing works with it, you can try logging in using the Facebook Lite or the Facebook Web. And here, with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.